Here's a big shout out to over 1.2 crore happy consumers for the rocking success of Samsung Galaxy M series in India. Thank you so much. Now you all know that the Galaxy M series that we sell globally is in fact designed specifically for the Indian Gen Z consumers. Every single unit of M series gets manufactured at our very own factory in India. Yup, the same factory that happens to be the world's largest mobile factory. We are super pleased that you, our consumers, have wholeheartedly supported us through this monster journey that we began just last year in 2019. For you all, we have kept our promise of getting super cool innovations with every new launch of M series. And on this monster ride, we're bringing you our brand new smartphone that will change the game, break the rules and reset the smartphone industry all over again. You know what we are talking about. The newest Samsung Galaxy M51. I guarantee you, the Galaxy M51 is the biggest, the boldest, the baddest and the brightest monster we have ever created. A kick-ass machine that has no other match out there, and that is the reason why we call it the meanest monster ever. So now let's hear it from Mr. Moby, the green monster. Brave guy indeed. He dared to challenge the Galaxy M51 for who is the meanest monster title. Well, let's give it to Moby for at least trying. He has been a worthy loser because the Galaxy M51 is undisputedly the meanest monster ever. We can't thank you enough, Moby, for setting that record straight. Call Moby the loser.
Hello. Who's this?
Hey, Moby. Remember the big daddy that crushed you in the Meanest Monster Face-Off? Well, I just called to thank you personally for your bravery and for letting the world know why the Galaxy M51 is the meanest monster ever. Also, I wanted to brag some.
You're welcome, bro. But listen, I never lose. Title or no title, my fans still love me. You see.
Moby, right now your fans are listening to you.
Yo, guys!
So Moby, now that Galaxy M51 is the undisputed meanest monster ever, tell everyone why even a badass like you couldn't beat it once.
I wasn't wearing my lucky ring in that face-off, but I'll be back soon after my vacay for a new face-off, and I promise I will take that title away.
Cheers to that idea, Moby. The new Galaxy M51 loves a worthy challenger anytime and anywhere. We sure look forward to another epic face-off. Hope you won't chicken out when the time really comes. Till then, good luck. So boys and girls, that was the mean Mr. Moby himself. Let's check out the epic moments from the meanest monster face-off between Moby and the Galaxy M51. That was the meanest monster face-off, guys, where the Galaxy M51 creamed the meanest monster ever title in an undisputed 4-0 win. Now let me tell you why Mobi was no match for our meanest monster ever. The Galaxy M51 comes with India's first 7000 mAh battery. A monstrous battery. There is nothing like it out there in the whole world. Add to it the 25-watt fast charging and reverse charging capabilities. Designed purposefully for all our young, unstoppable smartphone users across India. Now, if you thought that that's big, well, there's a lot more. The Galaxy M51 comes with a blazing fast Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G processor that will keep you in the fastest lane. Plus, a bold, ready for anything 64 megapixel quad camera with its really cool single take feature. And of course, our segment leading immersive 6.7-inch Super AMOLED Plus Infinity O display for all your binge marathons. In short, this is the meanest and the most badass machine we have ever designed to give you mind-blowing fun. Now you guys must be keen to get your hands on this meanest monster ever. So don't hold back. Samsung Galaxy M51 launches on Amazon and Samsung.com starting at Rs 24,999 only for the 6 plus 128GB variant and Rs 26,999 for the 8 plus 128GB variant. The sale goes live on 18 September, 12 noon. Set your alarms for your date with the meanest monster ever, and until we meet again, thank you so much for all your love and appreciation. Stay mean, stay cool.